Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your old outlet for a brand new USB outlet. So the first thing you want to do is turn on some kind of electricity and then go into your circuit breaker and then turn all of the circuits off until you find the one that turns the electricity off, and then once it's all turned off, then you can safely do this experiment. Alright guys, now that the power's turned off, what you're going to do is grab some kind of flashlight. This is the flashlight I'm using. And then take your Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the plate that goes over the outlet. Alright, so now that we have the plate taken off, now what we're going to do is take our Phillips head screwdriver and then unscrew the actual outlet. Okay, now that our outlet looks like this, what you're going to do is unscrew all the wires, even the one on the bottom. You just want to unscrew all of them. If when you're doing this, the wires look like this, there's a little square, or like a rectangle, right next to the wire. Then you have to push it down. And then the wire comes out. So now we gotta do that 3 more times. So this is what it looks like. There's the wire and then there's the rectangle. You push down with a small flathead onto the little rectangle, and it comes right off. So the next part is you get your USB outlet and then get the top one. Right there it says hot, so that means it's a black one. So you want to take both of your black cables and then put them both under here, under that metal piece, and then screw the screw back on, and then take your white ones, which that's not the hot wire, and then you take both of them and then you put it right under that piece, and then you screw that screw in, and then you take the ground wire, which is the one without any color on it, and you put that right on the blue wire. So as you can see right there, I just screwed in the ground wire to the non-color one. And now I'm going to do both of the white ones right into this middle one. So as you can see right here, both of the white ones are screwed in, and the ground cable is screwed in. So now all I have to do is take both of the black ones and put it on the top screw. Alright guys, I just finished, and you want to make sure when you do it that there's no copper sticking out. So what you can do is you can take some like wire cutters and trim the copper so that way it fits good, because if it doesn't, then it could, like, both of the coppers on the wires could touch and then create a fire, and that would not be good. So just make sure that there's no copper showing. This is a good example of what it should look like. So the next step after that is to tuck everything back into the wall, and then you're going to want to take your screws that came with it and then screw it through the hole of the outlet into the hole of the wall. Alright guys, now we have everything all put into the wall and all screwed in. Now what we're going to do is take our plastic case, put it into the wall like that, and then we're going to take our 2 screws and then screw them in, and then we're done. Alright, as you can tell, I turned the circuit breaker on. Now it's working. Now, as you can tell, it's working. The USB is working. Now it's time to test. Now it's time to test the actual outlet, and it works. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if this helped you, and share it with your friends. See you on the next video.
Testing, testing.